Okay guys, so I guess you have watched some videos about shifter bushings, so naturally you might ask, why not to buy a QT or similar bushings instead? Well, here's the price for a QT shifter bushings, it's 70 fucking bucks. Now it's too expensive for my ass, so I went to AliExpress to find and buy some cheaper ones. These bushings cost me around 10 bucks. At first I couldn't find any dimensions for acuity bushings to compare these sizes, but I went for it and bought it. After receiving it, I've got a problem. Small bushings was too small and big was too big and inner hole was oversized too. But I will show you how I fixed it later. Starting with a smaller one, I wrapped bushing in aluminum foil, folded 4 times over. Then I bought and cut some short 22mm copper pipe to size and put it all together. When fitting it to my car, bushing became too big, so I had to sand that copper ring down to perfect size to fit it. I have put some spacer over bushing so it won't rattle around if it gets loose anyhow. Now for a big guy, first I had to take a battery out, then sand it down too for a bit, but now we have inner hole problem. After snooping around in the garage, I have found some plastic piece which after sanding it down was perfect to fill this fucking hole. And behold, it's not rattling. Over this bushing I've put a spacer too, as bushing was too short. Also one corner of spacer had to be sanded down too. And as for shifter feel, I will let you hear my first impressions next.
Okay, so my first impressions. Okay, so I'm pushing towards your first second gear, right? On the left. It feels more robust, I would say. Okay? Yeah. First and second gears are like a rest. They feel more precise. You don't have that much room to wiggle, you know? And yeah. Earlier, as I was doing like moving back and forth motions, it doesn't have that wiggle on the end. Like I'm trying to push and it's not letting me. Yeah, it's feeling really good. Let's drive. Oh yeah, baby. Dude, shifts are like, they're really crisp. I like the way it shifts. Yeah, that's a lot easier to push a gear in, because earlier I sometimes had shut the fuck up. Like earlier I had a bit of a problem from second to third gear. Sometimes I would have grind, but it wouldn't be an issue for me. But now it's so much cleaner. Like you just push it in and boom, you got it. Yeah, it's really good. Really enjoying it. Yeah, that's so good. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you around. Peace.